Alright guys, we're going to do an Electroneum video, specifically on how to set up a QR code onto a blog, website, Facebook, Twitter, so that you can receive payments or donations. That's basically what we're doing today. And I need to check my camera. I just want to make sure you guys can see me while I'm talking. I don't know why you need to see me, but okay, there you go. So here we go. We're gonna start off at Wallet Manager. Do I have both my wallets open now? That is so weird. I can open both my wallets on the same computer. Okay, I didn't know I could do that. I had another monitor going, so I could open two different wallets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to open it to a website, but it's the same process for Facebook or a blog or any other social media or any other kind of platform where you can share your own information. So what you do is you go to your QR code right here on your Electroneum Wallet Manager, and if you don't know how to log in already, I don't think I need to do that with you, but you log in, go to your public wallet address, you right click, save image as, and let's go ahead and delete these because they're the same. Okay, we're going to save. Sure, I'll replace it. I don't care. I've already done this. So we're going to save our QR code right here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go place it where we want to go share it at. So I'm going to go open a couple different areas so you guys can see how to do this. And let's go ahead and do it here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit photo video. I'm going to go ahead and click this. I'm going to hit open. And then I'm going to type in my Electroneum payment and donation QR code for... Well, that's fine. I'll just do that. I just didn't want to seem like I'm needy or I'm trying to get money right now. I'm not. Okay, so there's my Electroneum payment and donation QR code right there on my Facebook page. Then I'll go over to my website. Alright guys, I got a new I'll turn that off. And then I'll go over here to my website and I'll show you where it's at here. And just as a reference, I originally had my donate Electroneum with my address here, so you'd have to copy and paste. So you can still do it that way, but let's go ahead and go down here and do it this way. So I did the copy paste on my website already, and I put it on to my first page, pasted it, and then I put my Electroneum public address. So if somebody wanted to send me a donation or a payment for something, they could just do it on my website. So there's that. And also you can always send from Wallet Manager to Wallet Manager. So earlier I sent some Electroneum from this wallet to this wallet right here. And the way I did that is I click send ETN and I scan my QR code on my phone. And the way you do that is, let me unhook this for a second. Let's go into the wallet. Okay, so I would be sending from my larger wallet. Okay. So here is the send screen. There's the send screen. I think you can see it on this camera, I'm not sure though. There's the send screen, and so what you do on the send screen is you would scan your QR code. So enter the wallet address you want to send to, and so you would scan the address you're going to send it to. So I'd pick the other wallet with the less funds in it, the 1194, and I'd scroll down, and then I'd open this up, and I'd hit the scan wallet QR code button, and then I'd take the phone, and I'd scan it, and it beeps, and that's how you know it went in. And then it takes you to the next screen, and the next screen says enter the payment ID. And for this presentation, I'm not going to be using the payment ID. I don't know if you can see it, but it says there. I'll read it to you. It says enter the payment ID optional. If you are sending to an exchange, you might be required to enter this. The exchange will provide you with the ID. I'm going to hit skip. I don't have a payment ID. And then how much you'd like to send. I'm going to put 10 ETN. I'm going to hit review transfer. And then it says you're about to send 10 ETN to this wallet address. Verify the wallet address. I know the first 3 are ETN. I know the last 3 are JMB. So that's good enough for me. And then it says a transaction fee of 0.2 ETN will be charged. And then I hit confirm and send. And then you enter your PIN code. After you do that, it sends to the blockchain, return to wallet, hit OK, and then I go back to my wallet and it'll reflect that I sent 10 ATN, and you can see that right there. And if you can't see that, I'll show you on the screen here. Oops, wrong mouse. I got two different computers here. Okay, so let's see here. Let me refresh my screen. Oh, now it did it. Now it's all one wallet. That's weird. Okay, so it shows I completed a send of 10 Electroneum, and that 10 Electroneum went to my other wallet, which now it cleared out over here. So I don't know why that happened, but anyway. I sent 10 Electroneum to my other wallet. There's the 10 Electroneum pending. And then it needs to go through the blockchain. And that's how you do it. So just as a recap, before I finish this video, you want to go into your Electroneum Wallet Manager. You want to go to the right side where your address is. And instead of click to copy, what you want to do is do a right click on your QR code. You want to copy the image. Well, not copy image address. You want to hit copy image. Then you want to go to your website or your blog or your Facebook page or whatever. Like here's my Facebook page, and you want to paste it into your Facebook page. Or go to your website editor and put it in your website, like right there. Paste, and then you can start taking payments and donations with QR code for Electroneum. There you go. And with that, I'm going to call it a day, and you guys have a good day or night wherever in the world you are, and take care of yourself. Alright, later. Bye.